In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update personal info on Coinbase. Keeping your details accurate is important for account security, smooth withdrawals and deposits, and compliance with verification requirements. Whether you've moved to a new address or you just need to correct something, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the change quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Coinbase account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. On the website, it's typically at the top right. In the mobile app, you'll find it in your account area. Select it, then choose Manage Account or Settings. This takes you to the control center for your profile, security, and personal information. By the way, if you're not already using the app or you prefer the website, you'll find the official website link and the app download link right at the very top of the description, so you can access Coinbase securely from the source. Next, go to the Personal Info section. This is where Coinbase stores your key account details. Here, you'll see fields such as your address. When you're ready to make a change, select Edit next to the specific field you want to update. For example, if you've moved, choose Edit next to Address and type in your new information carefully. Make sure everything matches your official documents exactly, including spelling, street abbreviations, and postal codes. Small discrepancies can cause verification issues later, so it's worth double-checking. If you're entering a new address, consider confirming it with a recent bill or statement on your end, just to ensure you have the right formatting and details handy. After you've entered the updated information, select Save to apply your changes. Coinbase will update the field, and you're all set. One important note here. If your new address is in a different country than the one currently on your account, Coinbase requires you to submit a new photo ID and proof of address. That's a standard security measure to verify your identity across jurisdictions. Have clear, well-lit scans or photos of your documents ready, and make sure the names and addresses match exactly. Reviews can take a bit of time, so don't worry if you don't see the update instantly. And that's it. A quick recap. Sign in, open settings from your profile, head to Personal Info, edit the field you need, and save. If you change countries, be prepared to verify with a photo ID and proof of address. Thanks for watching.